Just put 2 cans of chicken in my bowl. I'm going to put half a jar of Italian style Parmesan cheese. I just put 2 cans of chicken in this bowl and a half a container of Parmesan cheese. 2 eggs. Italian seasoning. Ooh, nice. That's quite a bit. Oh well, it'll work out. A handful of jack cheese. A handful of cheddar. Anything you want. Could be sharp, could be mild. Anything you want. Mixed. A little bit more. Now mix it all up. Take it out of the oven when it's nice and brown. And then loosen the edges and turn it over. When it's turned over, you add pizza sauce. Yes, it's from a jar this time. Not always. Don't go all the way to the corner, otherwise it just makes a big mess. But just like half an inch. A little basil, a little more cheddar cheese, a little more Parmesan cheese, bacon, ham, pepperoni, more pepperoni, more pepperoni, sausage and ground beef, mushrooms, jalapenos, and green onions. Top it off with some mozzarella cheese. A little more mozzarella.